In this lecture, I will show you how to manipulate the scene. So back in Unity, we have just a very simple scene with a sphere, a cube, and a plane with a texture. Now you will learn more about this in the following lectures and you'll get to do that as well. Alright, so what we're going to do right now is be able to move around the scene, because what if you want to look at an object and zoom in? Well, you can just click on that object, like right now I've just clicked on the sphere, and then press the F key. So if you press F, it will zoom right on. Now, if you are too close, you can use the two buttons of your mouse and then move away, just zoom out like you would do, or use the middle mouse button. If you have a magic trackpad like me, you can just use the two fingers on the trackpad and then move away from it. And then if you scroll up or scroll down with the two fingers, then you'll be able to get closer or away from it. Now, what if you want to look around it? And to look around it, that would be somewhat like this, right? You want to be able to go around, go up and down. Well, press the Alt key down on a Windows PC and Option key on a Mac. So again, you can zoom in and press the Alt key down, and then you can just look around. Okay, so swipe left and right or up and down on the scene. All right, so now that's pretty much everything you need to know. You can always select another object, and with that you can already do anything you want. Again, you can mix this with selecting an object and then using the QWERT keys, or just use the pan to pan left and right as well. So with that you can access any objects. By the way, you can also click on the 2D button right there if you want the scene to be exactly in one position. Now, if you want to get out of it, just press the 2D again.